In this exciting tutorial, I'll show you guys how to cut a half circle skirt with very easy steps. If this is something you'd love to watch, make sure you subscribe for more. So let's begin by taking accurate body measurements. In this tutorial, I'll be using my little doll for easy visibility. So whatever I do on the doll is what you have to do on a real human being. So place the measuring tape around your waist like I am doing. Make sure it's not too tight and not too loose. So the measurements of this waist we're going to work with is 5.5 inches. So what I'm going to do next is find the waist radius. So this is 5.5 inches. I'm going to divide 5.5 inches by 3.14. So this is a standard measurement for a half circle skirt. So I'm just going to go to my calculator and do the math. So 5.5 divided by 3.14 is going to give me 1.75 inches. So this is going to be the waist radius. So I'm going to fold my fabric at the center, as you can see me do. Then the second fold is going to be on a bias. So this is fold number 1. And the second fold is going to be on a bias like I have done. Then after folding it on a bias, I'm going to mark my waist radius of 1.75. Just going to get my measuring tape. So that measurement was 1.75. That's the one I'm going to mark over here on the waist. So I'm just going to keep rotating and marking, moving, rotating and marking. Then I'm going to cut this out, the waist radius. I'm just going to get my pair of scissors and cut it out. So I'm just going to cut it out. Then next you need to determine the full length, desired length of the skirts. I'm just going to show you on my little doll. Mark from the waist going to your desired length. So in this case, the desired length is 4 inches. I'll mark 4 inches. Whatever I'm doing is what you have to do on a real human being, nothing different. This is just for visibility. It's easier for you guys what I'm doing when I do it on a little doll and on little fabric than when I do it on bigger fabric. So I'm just going to mark the 4 inches and keep rotating. So guys, if you've watched all the way up to this far, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I post easy sewing tutorials on this channel and you'll never regret subscribing to my channel, giving it a thumbs up. So I'm going to connect the points and make a circle. So I'm going to get my pair of scissors and cut this out to make our beautiful half circle skirt. So now I'm going to open this, and once I open, it's going to look like a semi half circle. It's not going to be full, it's a half circle. If you want to learn how to make a full circle, you can check out my other videos. So in my next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to sew this beautifully. This was just a pattern drafting demonstration. I'll show you how to sew this in my next tutorial. So make sure you subscribe and don't miss out on my next video tutorials. So see you in my next sewing tutorial, and bye for now.